Hi, this is Madan Shavali, working as vocational trainer, AP Model School, Bandatmapur. Today our topic is format text and inserting tables in presentation. Formatting text. Formatting the text in slides. The contents of the slides can be formatted in various ways. The most common way is to use the formatting icons on the formatting toolbar. Another way is by selecting format text from the menu bar. Third way is by using the keyboard shortcuts. Formatting toolbar options. There are different toolbars in the formatting text. This is like that font size, italic, bold, underline, and alignments also is there. Right, left, justify, and center alignment. And fill color, font color also is there. And decimal numbers also is there, increase and decrease. Font name, size, increase size, decrease font size, bold, italic and underline. Font name. Click on the font type drop down menu bar and see the list of fonts and select for the font name like this Times New Roman. Size. Click on font size from drop down menu and see the list of font sizes from where you can select the font sizes. Increase the size. Clicking on with upward arrow will increase the size. Keyboard shortcut is Ctrl open brace. Decrease the font size. Click on with upward arrow will decrease the size. Keyboard shortcut is Ctrl close brace, bold, italic and underline. It can be used in our text. Bold, it is used to shortcut of keyboard is Ctrl B. Like that, A is bold. It can be used change the italic Ctrl I. For example, font name. Select Ctrl I to change the italic style. Change the text to underline. It can be used shortcut key is Ctrl U. For example, font name like that. Formatting text. In our text data, we can change font styles. They are different styles are there. They are straight through, superscript, subscript, font color, highlighting. Straight through. Click on the text to draw a line through the selected text. For example, like this A, B, C, D, like that. Superscript. Clicking on raises the selected text above baseline. Keyboard shortcut is Shift plus Control plus P, like that A square of B. Superscript. Clicking on A raises the selected text above baseline. Keyboard shortcut is Shift plus Control plus bold, like that A down square B. Font color. You can change the font color. Click on drop down box. The right of the font color icon opens the color palette from where you can change the font color. Highlighting. Clicking on drop down box to select right of highlighting color icon the color palette from where you can change the highlighting color. There are other text formatting options is there. Alignments and bullets and numberings. Alignments. They are used in our text. Alignments, they are right, left, top, bottom and center. And bullets and numbering. They are used in our text. Bullets and numbering also. Like that, right, left and top, bottom alignments is there in home page and bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering also is their home tab, like this title box appear, star symbol, hash symbol, arrow symbols is there, bullets and numbers. Numbers also is their title box appear 1, 2, 3 like that, ABC and Roman numbers. Paragraph setting. Increase paragraph spacing, decrease paragraph spacing. Increase and decrease the spacing above and below the selected paragraphs. Increase the spacing above and below the selected paragraph. Shortcut key of key is Control open brace. Decrease the spacing above and below the selected paragraph. Keyboard shortcut is Control close brace. Like that, here one title box appear and here give, after, before and line spacing is there in options. Working with tables. Tables are using in PowerPoint presentation. Insert a table. Tables are inserted by selecting the table icon and the standard toolbar is Insert tab. In the Insert tab dialog box, the number of columns and the number of rows are specified. We can create a table by clicking on the table icon. Here, icon is there. Rows and columns title box appear. By clicking on title bar table icon, the drop down menu by desired number of rows and columns can be selected. A table can be inserted from the inserted menu by selecting insert table. In the insert table dialog box, the number of rows and columns are specified. For example, in our slide you want to 5 columns and 3 rows are inserted, like this table is created. Rows and columns. Entering and editing data in a table. The content is put in a table by placing the insertion point in a table cell and entering text. Moving the insertion point in a table can be done in the three ways: by pressing the left mouse button, by pressing the tab key on a keyboard, by pressing arrow key on the keyboard. Selecting a cell. To select a cell with a table position, the mouse cursor along its left edge, and when the cursor changes to slapped white arrow, press right mouse button. For example, like this table created. Selecting a row and a column. To select a row and column in a table position, throw or column to select, and when the mouse cursor changes to slapped white arrow, press the left mouse button and drag it to the end of the row and column. Like this here table is there. Select rows and columns. Selecting a table. To select entire table, first click on edge. When the mouse cursor changes to slapped white arrow, click on the left mouse button. To move the table position on its edges, and when the cursor changes to slapped white arrow, drag to the table to specified location. Like this table here, select all rows and columns. Adjusting a column with an row height using the mouse. Width and mouse. To change width of column position and the border line, the two columns, and when the cursor to a like this sign, press the left mouse button and click right mouse button to appear title box and select table properties. Select cell, row and column height and width. Like this table, adjust column width and height. Tables, borders and backgrounds. The various table formatting options can be applied on the table just like writer. The borders and background can be assigned to the table. Right click on the table border. The table properties dialog box will appear and select the colors, background color and font color, like this table here, AP Model School and Mandapmakur. Adding row and columns and deleting rows and columns. Adding rows and columns. In a table, add row and column. Like this here table, to create a add column and a row. Like this. Deleting rows and columns. To delete a table, click on the slide and drag selection box over the table to select, then press the delete key. Like this table, delete column. Thanks for patient listening. Thank you.